Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here this time is a T-Mobile Galaxy S6. In our previous video, we cleared off a T-Mobile Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. Now, this time it's just a regular T-Mobile Galaxy S6. As you can see, that's the model of that device, the SM-G920T. And this device, of course, is definitely blocked, in which we're not gonna just kind of click on that right there to run any more checks, since T-Mobile now asks for the captchas. So we're gonna go ahead and pause the video, and we'll be back momentarily once this block balance gets cleared off. We are back, and we have successfully cleared off the block balance of this device. So now this time let's click submit. As you can see, before we even do that, you can see this Imei has not changed. It's the exact same Imei, in which you can also pause the video to verify it and check as well. So we're gonna go ahead and click the start. Let's give them their captcha. Okay, device's finance has outstanding balance. Yeah, the device, as we informed you, just because this status shows up right here does not mean that the device is not clean and cleared. Yeah, it's just that so much money was owed on that device where you can't expect it to see or say congratulations, in which majority of the time you're going to get congratulations, but it really depends on how much is owed on that device right there. So everything is definitely clean and cleared off. So we still have one more check on here, so we can go ahead and run the free check and the Imei data. As I informed you in the last Galaxy S6 Edge Plus video, that although it says blacklisted right there, the device is definitely 110% clean and cleared. It's never going to reblock back again, in which the only reason why it states that status right there is because of the finance situation, as you can see right here, right where it says devices outstanding finance. Yeah, that's the only reason why it showed up on the global database, stating that blacklist right there. But literally before we even started the services, it was blacklisted in many of these columns. The Metro PCS was blacklisted, T-Mobile was blacklisted, and as you can see, this phone is definitely clean and cleared off. We've notified the customer after we got done from completing the services. They were using their T-Mobile existing contract service, in which they are happy, they are good to go. So for any more questions, feel free to contact us, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching Galaxy S6 Imei repair. We're not changing the Imei of the device whatsoever. So like I said, it's a legitimate service, in which you have to be patient as far as getting these balances cleared off. Because if there's a lot of money owed on the phone, you cannot expect it to say congratulations at the end. Which a lot of people like to lie, especially if they're the original owner, and say that they don't owe any money. Does not matter what status that your phone shows up in. Like, if you reported your own phone, you put a debt balance on that device. So do not contact us saying that no type of money is owed, because it used to be your phone before and you just got a replacement phone in. That means you put a debt balance back on that device right there. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.